Hello, my name is Joseph Yankel. This is my term project for 15112, Intro to Computer Science. Introducing Teapot Wars 2, a tile-based multiplayer game where players cooperate or compete to hunt enemies in hopes of being the first to find the legendary bag of tea plus 3, which is said to provide the holder immortality, or something. Welcome to the main menu. So, here's where players can choose to host or join games. There's a guide tab available for users to learn the objective of the game. There's an exit button so that players can exit, but there really isn't much a reason to use this button because the game is just so good. Alright, so we'll try host first. And we're brought to the character creation screen. So on this screen, players must select one of these classes displayed and pick a name. So we'll play a wizard. We're going to name him Joseph Yankel, because that's an awesome name. And create character. Once they're ready, players can spawn in the game. Players spawn in a randomly generated dungeon, and one enemy out of a bunch of randomly placed ones will hold the legendary bag of tea plus 3. In this build, all the enemies hold one, so I can show you the win state. They are chasing me around right now. So here are the AI. They will follow you, but they are randomly placed around the level. There's 10 that spawn in this build. They have an area of sight, so once you enter that area, they're tracking you, and if you go far enough away, they'll forget you existed. It might take a while to do that. So to introduce the game mechanics, you hold right click to move your camera around. There's a energy bar, which is this yellow bar here, and a health bar, which is the green bar. As you see, I'm taking damage. The green bar will shorten. I better run. So each class has the same abilities currently. They are move and attack. You can see these at the hotbar down in this corner here. So you can either click on these icons to activate the ability, or you can press the hotkey associated with it. So each ability uses energy, and the energy operates on a timer, so if you use it all, it runs out. All you have to do is wait for it to regenerate again. Once the bar empties, you can't take any more actions. So when other players join in the character creation screen, you can see their values syncing to the right. That's the party list UI display. It shows who's in the party with you. So it turns out Jeff is a traitor and he's almost got me beat. In fact, I'm probably going to die here. Yeah, so this is the respawn screen. You're given a timer and it counts down until you're able to respawn. Once that timer goes down to 0, the button becomes available to click on. If we click it, we respawn in a random location. I just so happen to be next to Jeff so I can get my revenge. So the last feature I want to demo is the join party interface. So this is how clients connect to the host. They have to type in an IP address. Since I'm running 2 clients on this machine, one's a host, one's a client, I'm gonna just use localhost. When I press connect, you'll see I joined Bob the Barbarian's server. I'm gonna pick a thief, and I'll name him Sneaky Joe. And so if we spawn, if we look around, we'll probably see Bob. And there he is, there's Bob. Now let's go take his loot. We found the AI. We're gonna win this fight. Oh, it's getting close. I better run. Sidestep. And then... oh, that was close. And there it is, what we've been waiting for. Sneaky Joe has obtained the legendary bag of tea plus 3. Submit now to your new ruler, mortals. Thank you so much for watching my demo. The rest of this video is going to be dedicated to how to install the game and get it running. So to get the project running, what you'll need to do first is install Git and Python 3.6. I'm going to go to jyandev GitHub. If you search that, you'll find my GitHub where the project's located. Go into repositories, click Teapot Wars 2, and you'll see the full instructions here in the prerequisites. So I'm just going to go through how to do it. Simply, you go up here, say clone or download, copy this, and go to where you want to install it, and type in git clone and paste that link. This will clone it to the spot you're in your command line. Next, just copy and paste this. What we'll do first is cd into that folder and then paste that command. This will install the Panda 3D that I used from the package manager. This one's for sure guaranteed to work, at least on Windows. Once it's done. Alright, now that it's done, what you need to do is first create another directory, because my project requires the dungeon generator that I built earlier. We're going to have to clone it into the new folder, so do mkdir and call it external. It's important that you name it external because it is hard-coded into the project. So cd into external, and back on this page you can see we need to clone this. So copy paste that command, and once that's done, just go back to the root folder and run the game by python main.py. Oh, it works.